What's up, guys? This is my bike check. We got ourselves a Rant top load stem. It's got like 52mm reach or something. Animal foursome bars. They're pretty great. Stranger Quan grips. I've heard bad things, I've heard good things. I like them personally. Until you get sweaty hands, and it's pretty bad. Let's go to the back for a little minute. Got ourselves a nice Primo Free Mix female left-hand drive hub. Alright. Then we got it laced to a Demolition Lightning rim or something like that. Demolition. Good rims. Then we got ourselves a Federal plastic peg and an Odyssey M peg. Then when we come up to the seat for a hot minute, got ourselves a nice Sunday tripod post. And then there's a nice Stranger seat. It's pretty great. Nice, colorful. Gotta love those colors. Alright. Now we're going to bring it down here. Got ourselves some nice BSD Substance XL cranks. Nice and beefy. Some Primo JJs. Love them. And then got ourselves Primo solid sprocket. Love this thing. Now we've got the Colt half link chain here. It's pretty great. I mean, it's a chain. As long as it doesn't snap, it's good, right? Now we're gonna come back to the front. Got ourselves Merit high top freaking headset, dude. It's pretty good. Spins great. Then we got ourselves some Stranger forks, ballers, I guess. And then we got a Sunday front wheel complete, and then 2 M pegs in front.
Peep the dice.
Yes, the dice. And that's my bike check.